National Weather Service in Milwaukee. Thunderstorm warning for Marquette County in south central Wisconsin until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles northeast of Wisconsin Dells to 7 miles north of Portage, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Montello, Westfield, Lawrence, Packwaukee, Oxford, Endeavor, Nashcoro, Springfield Corners, Glen Oak, Briggsville, and Harrisville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe